Hello, I'm meteorologist Mark Molnar with a quick update on our afternoon weather and the rest of this week and into next week. We have a lot of things to talk about, from hurricanes to severe weather, so let's get right into it. Here's Hurricane Dean. Top sustained winds 90 miles per hour. It's Category 1. It's moving towards the Lesser Antilles Islands here. It's going to head northwestward and affect Jamaica and eventually the Yucatan Peninsula, and where it goes from there, it remains a question, but we'll have the details. And Tropical Depression Erin is in southern Texas now. It's made landfall and is producing heavy flooding rains. It's expected to meander northwestward into New Mexico. Let's take a look at the particulars as far as the model guidance for Dean. Hurricane Dean is a Category 1, expected to become a Category 2. Pressure down 970 millibars. We have hurricane warnings out now for the islands here of the Lesser Antilles. We also have the cone of uncertainty, and the dark red line is where I believe that Dean is most likely to travel. We also have category indicators here, where I believe that the category switchovers will occur. Category 4 status it could achieve between the Lesser Antilles and Jamaica. It could affect Jamaica very negatively and cause devastating consequences, especially since Jamaica is a very mountainous island. We do have a special word now. Dean is up to a Category 2 now. Dean is now up to a Category 2 with 100 miles per hour winds, so Dean is rapidly intensifying now. Pressure is, the Air Force reconnaissance now reported that pressure is down to 920 millibars. It is bombing out. This hurricane is rapidly intensifying. This could affect intensity parameters. It could become a Category 5 easily, somewhere between the Lesser Antilles and the Greater Antilles. So would not be surprised if this hurricane it's rapidly intensifying. It's got a very tightly wound core. By the time it gets to the northwest Gulf of Mexico, this is the question we have right now. Models diverge at this point. Some take it as far northeast as Louisiana, with a developing trough bringing Dean upward and causing weakness in the subtropical ridge, or some models take it westward, and then many take it northwestward towards South Texas and northern Mexico. Intensity will greatly be dependent to whether it crosses the Yucatan Peninsula. We have down to 90 mile per hour Category 1 by Tuesday, but then it rapidly intensifies again in the warm waters of the Gulf of Mexico. Dean is rapidly intensifying. Here is the satellite picture. Look at how beautiful. It's got beautiful outflow. It's got a central dense overcast core right in here, very tightly wound, and it could become Category 3 later tonight. So let's take a look at the particulars. Here's the northeast winds ahead of the developing very powerful hurricane. Let's take a look at the weather stateside here in southern tier of New York, Binghamton area. Friday through Tuesday, it will be mostly sunny each day. Highs in the upper 70s, lows in the lower 50s, upper 40s. Let's take a look at the current regional radar. We have some thunderstorms developing to our north in Syracuse, Rochester. We have a few warnings too. We did have a tornado warning earlier in northeast New York here, but that's since expired. I do expect scattered thunderstorms to continue. Some could contain strong damaging winds. However, I do not expect this to be a widespread severe weather outbreak. So that's the particulars. I'm meteorologist Mark Molnar. Thanks for joining me this afternoon, and I will have another update for you, most likely tonight or tomorrow.